Today I show you how to update your Google Play services, Google Play security updates, and you need this to run some specific apps like Roblox has some security checks, or even payment apps. In general, it's good for banking apps and games to verify for anti-cheat system. To get the latest Google Play security updates, go to settings and search for, then you see in the search here in About Phone Android version, then you see Google Play System Update. I'll show you with the search because it's easier. Different versions of Android will have different menu systems, menu structures. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and it's not a very new phone, but it's still working perfectly. And it doesn't get updates, it is on Android 15. Sometimes it does get updates, but you can still get Google Play System Updates for security. So go to Google Play System Updates, then Google Play System Update. The update is for 1st of June 2026, so it's pretty recent. And here you can check for updates. Now the last update didn't really work. You want to check for the Google Play System Updates. Some payment apps like the Google Wallet or Google Play or even Roblox might not allow you to add cards or even play the games in Roblox if you don't have the updates done. And in general, banking apps and games, they rely on the device integrity, so that's going to fail the device integrity checks. And here I want to just simply tap try again. So it's going to... Yeah, updates are temporarily unavailable. Let's check for updates. Okay, so here you will check for updates and it will ask you to restart. And once you restart, you can use your phone, but yeah, this one failed to update. If you still get this failed to update message, you can simply try to restart your phone. So I could try to do a restart and see what happens after the restart. And after the restart, you go again in the settings and search for Play. You should say Google Play System Updates. Let's see now if it's gonna work. It's probably going to work or not, depending on how it is. Okay. So the device is up to date, 1st of June. If you have any issues, if you have problems with Google Pay, Google Wallet, that cards are not working, or some games are saying device integrity check is not good or something, go to update your Google Play security update, Google Play System Update. And also you can go into your Android phone and search for update. And then you have the system updates. In my case, this is a phone that doesn't get updates anymore. It's not supported by Sony anymore. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark V doesn't get more updates. It did get recently an update. It must have been some important security update. That's how you update your phone to the latest Google Play security update. So you can use banking applications, especially in games that rely on device integrity. So this is basically the device integrity checks. Check for system updates for the Android version and also for the Google Play, also for the Google Play system updates. Thanks for watching.